What's up, guys? Going to the track today. Try to make some improvements. So the DA is good today. It's like 1,200 feet right now. It'll probably be 1,400. When I get there, it's like a brisk 60 something degrees right now, 65, something like that. So last previous best, 11.1 at 137. So that was with stock gears. So I have since re-geared it. So I've got one down, two up in the back. I've got another chain, fixed some electrical issues. So hopefully it doesn't die on me today like it's been doing for a month. So like the previous owner, like not the guy I got it from, but like the previous owner to him, because the guy I got it from didn't have it that long, and I know it wasn't him that did all that stuff, but dude, there were so many exposed wires and stuff just grounding out, popping fuses, and it was ridiculous. So I think I got it all squared away now. So it's running rich as hell. My tuning software shows up tomorrow for it, so I'll just tune it tomorrow. What else did I change on this thing? Fresh oil, fresh clutch. The last time I still had that Barnett clutch. I just had the Brock's springs in it. I mean that one finally took a dump. It started slipping real bad at like 13K. I've replaced it with a Track King one, and it doesn't seem to do that anymore. I'm gonna go put some more air in the front tire. It's at like 33 right now. I'm probably gonna go like to 38 or so, just to get a little bit less rolling resistance. Hey, it's free, you know. Stock wheelbase. We'll see if we can get into the 10s today. Hopefully we can. That'd be awesome. All right, we're gonna go put some 93 in this bastard and go from there. So the tuning software I'm getting is it's called the Woolish. It's a little box. It's got like all kinds of interface stuff on it. It's pretty neat. It flashes the stock computer, so it's not like a piggyback or anything. I've got a wideband on it obviously now. I can see what the hell the aerial far is, so I'm not just running it blind. So I guess you can make it have like different maps, because it does have different maps from the factory. It's got 3 different maps. It's got a low, a full, or a low, a medium, and a full power. I guess people use like whatever one they want to for like E85 and MR12. Well, I'm not using MR12 because that shit's like $125 for like 5 gallons. That's just not worth it to me. I don't really care about all that stuff. They got E85 around here, and I'll test it and I'll adjust it for that. But other than that, I ain't messing with all that shit. Like, I know probably out of the can's probably a little bit, you know, more consistent, but I really don't care. Around here, it's usually between 60 and 75% E85. I've never seen an E85 around here. But usually 60 to 70%, you're splitting hairs, man, especially with something like this. Like this thing's, and it's higher compression. It'll benefit definitely from E85. I've downloaded the stock tune for it. I've looked at a couple of other like maps. They have like a map share thing too, so like, I mean, I don't know how well you can trust them, but you can see, you know, what people have changed and what works and stuff. So I got something to go off of, and you can actually rate them too, so people rate the tunes. But I'm not just going to run that. I'm probably going to run a base like that and then start off from there and just go from there. But let's go get some fuel, head to the track. I think Corbin's there right now. Let's go see if we can click off some 10s. Yeah, I pulled up the gas pump and I was like, you know what I forgot? It asked me to enter my PIN number, and I was like, yeah, I forgot that. Yeah, I forgot to get my ink pen. Side note, I really like the SBT Lightnings, the old ones like that, little 10th gen F-150s. Solid. I like them. I think I'm going to be the first one. I think the track is hot now. I noticed last time too, my phone was in the way. You guys couldn't see the speedometer, so hopefully it's, yeah, hopefully it's good now. So let's go see if this track's hot. Ooh, man, I strapped the hell out of that front end too. It's like really low. It's like hard to turn. All right, the track is hot. Ooh, it's sticky right here, yeah. shifted. I wasn't even looking at the tack. I was just worried about keeping that damn front end down in first. Let's go see what she ran. All right, 120, 140. Picked up quite a bit of mile an hour. 60 foot sucked. That's okay though. We're gonna go see if we can go faster. I'm gonna try to pay attention to the shift light now. I saw 150. Well, the front end came up in second. Alright. Bitch is quick. Hell yeah. Let's go see what she ran. Yeah. We got a 1070 at 141. That's what I'm talking about. The 60 foot sucks ass. So I mean it's like a mid to low 10-second bike, just improving that 60 foot. Probably a little bit more mile an hour too, maybe a 142. So the DA is 1924 right now with 80. It says 80% humidity too, and then it's 70 degrees outside. So not a bad run. That was pretty good. So that's my first 10-second pass ever on anything. Hell yeah! Just go nut the butt with me. All right. See if we can launch it a little better. Hopefully we can. They're pretty awesome. I was watching the YouTube or the GoPro footage, and it was like I shifted so early out of first and then didn't launch it good. So mainly first gear is the issue. Everything else is actually pretty easy. I couldn't even see the AFR either. I want to say it's in the 11s or something. It's something stupid. Shitty run. I banged out the limiter. I was trying to focus on tucking and all that stuff. Oh well. No smoke, so we didn't blow it up. Alright, let's go see what she ran. Just gonna hot lap it. I didn't even look at the time. It was just crappy, I just know it was. I don't know what size that is. It was like a 600 maybe, I don't know. I'll probably get my ass whooped. I felt way better. I rode the clutch out a little bit more, so let's go see what she ran on that. Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys can see this on that video, but it comes up in second. Like right when you hit second, it comes right up. Like it ain't a lot, but you can just feel it float. Like it's coming up. It's not scary. I don't want to wheelie it in first, because I know if I try to like go to second, like while I'm wheeling it in first, it's going to come up harder, and that's kind of the problem with it, really. I'm putting all my fat ass weight on the front of it too, and it's just, I don't know. It launched pretty good on that one, so that wasn't that bad. That was a good launch. All right, we're gonna make one more pass. Probably call it a day. They're gonna do like roll racing and shit. I don't do all that. I did a 1030 at 143. Let's see if we can 60 foot a little better, and probably get a 10.0. That'd be tits. And then a little bit more mile an hour. That'd be awesome. The biggest problem with this thing is first gear. Like it wants to come up, and that's why I'm shifting a little early, because you can kind of feel it come up a little bit, and it's a little scary going that fast. So, but the second gear, it comes up, but it comes immediately down, so it's not terrible. So I don't know. We'll see what it does. All right, we're gonna get our ass whooped by the BMW here. Not bad. All right, let's go see what she ran. All right. Jeez. It's getting warm out here. I'm done. Whew, I got my 10. That's one of the 10s I could pass. I got a couple of them. I think I'm good for now. So the bike didn't die, which is good. Didn't pop any fuses, which is good. Hopefully I have all the electrical issues fixed now. That'd be awesome. So the only thing that's killing me, 60 foot. That first 330 foot right there is killing me. Other than that, it moves. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, do all that YouTuber stuff. Leave a comment down below. Catch you guys on the next one.